Hello and welcome to Learn Data. It's great to have you on this channel. In this series, we have now completed one of the very important libraries in Scikit, in Python, in machine learning, and that is Scikit-learn. With the end of this intermediate series, if you have followed all the videos or if you have watched some of the videos, I'd like to congratulate you on completing this important topic, and I'm positive and confident that with the knowledge that you have from this series, you would be in a better position to apply machine learning models to answer questions either at work or in projects of your interest. Please continue to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to post them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you as to what your feedback is on this series and how it helped you or how it did not help you in the project that you have been working on. So thank you for your support, and I hope to see you all in the next series as well, which will be either Keras or TensorFlow. I've not decided it yet, but it will be as interesting as this one as well. So thank you and congratulations once again.